letting the girls nibble on some hay before I fill up the bags, because I woke up a little late this morning and I'm still drinking my coffee. Nothing like horses and coffee.
This morning started off like any other peaceful, magical morning on the farm, until we noticed something wasn't right with Honeybee. After a very cold night, this morning she began showing signs that made us pause, laying down more than usual and struggling to get comfortable. If you own horses, you know how scary it can be. Colic is one of the most serious situations horse owners can face, and we had to act quickly. It might be helpful for other horse owners to see her behavior while she was in her discomfort. Maybe it will help one of you in being able to determine whether or not your horse is going through the same situation.
Just gave Honeybee Banamine, and I'm gonna wait with her. It takes about 45 minutes to kick in, and I'm gonna sit and watch her. And if she does roll, I need to walk her around until this passes. She did poop a little bit ago, but I think maybe she's got some gas going on. I'm gonna try to help her feel better. I think she's got a tummy ache. And if that doesn't work, then I'm calling the vet immediately.
Thankfully, after giving Banamine and keeping a close eye on her, she started to improve within about 20 minutes. Seeing her get up, walk around, and graze again was such a relief. The rest of the day, just typical farm life chores, septic work, broken sprinkler lines, dogs digging holes like they're searching for treasure, and signs of spring finally arriving with blooming dogwoods. Never a dull moment around here, but we're incredibly grateful Honeybee is doing well.
Mike says this is where I should plant my garden. At least they've tilled up the land a little bit. Look at that dogwood. Oh, I wish it was like that all year. It's so beautiful. This is what happens when you let your dogs just wander around and do their own thing. Looks like somebody was digging for gold. I cannot believe this. I think they were trying to get the gophers that were making their mounds in the front yard. Literally, it looks like somebody was digging for gold. Never a dull moment. So I had just cleaned the trough and had the hose in the trough, filling it with water when the guys that were here to install the drain field cut the water line. And when it turned back on, of course, we forgot that the hose was in the trough, and all the sand that was in the water line is now at the bottom of the trough. So I had just cleaned it. I get to clean it again. And here's Miss Red Sox to find out what's going on. And the paddock is completely flooded because, yeah, it's been an hour that the water's been overflowing. Fun times. Fun times. Great. This is where the horses love to come. It looks like this tree has fallen on the fence. Post, and this is the fence. And then it looks like this thing here broke off at the top of this tree, so we're gonna have to get out here and deal with this amazingly fun time here living in the country. If you all are ever torn between whether or not you should buy a house that's been cleared, or not a house, but a property that's been cleared, or a house that has a lot of trees on the property, go for the one that doesn't have a lot of trees on the property, because man, they are a lot of work. This has come undone. We gotta get something better out here. We've marked all of these gopher tortoise holes. And so far they've actually done really well with staying away from them and all that stuff. All right, somebody let Piper out here. That's the guilty subject over there. Piper is in doggy jail. She doesn't like not being able to come out here, but it's for her own good. We don't want her to accidentally get trampled by one of the horses, or, you know, even worse, get kicked. So she is a lot, and she annoys the horses a lot. And anyway, we're keeping her out. I have made a trail of soil along the exterior of the barn. Please excuse the mess, that's next. And I am gonna sprinkle this bag of wildflowers, see if they grow. It just says sprinkle seeds. I put some soil down just to encourage growth, and I'm gonna sprinkle it with water and see what comes up. Jenny's very excited. I hope she doesn't try to eat the soil. Hopefully I can have a video soon showing all this beautiful flowers that popped up. It says annuals and perennials. Oh, there's my curious Red Sox who's like, what the heck is going on out there? She's like, I hear all these strange noises. She's so funny. Always curious. She's very inquisitive. Always wants to see what's going on. This is absolutely my favorite view of this dogwood tree. I know I talk about it a lot, but I still just, gosh, I love it so much. Here comes Piper. She's finally done with her exploring. Yeah. Okay, Piper out. Good pull. Doing this one-handed isn't so easy.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more real-life farm living, horses, home projects, and country life adventures. Thanks so much for watching.